Give us a commentary where we're going, Warren.
I have no idea.
What are we on? We're on a skyway or something, huh?
Yeah, just go away.
Where are we at?
SeaWorld.
Wave for the camera.
Yeah.
There's some sea lions, isn't there?
We stopped. We did stop.
I can't see here.
Whatever you do, just don't drop it.
Take a photo, Joanne.
No, what's that?
Stop.
Well, then hold them. Starting to go faster now.
Dolphins, Danny.
There's a dolphin there. What's actually a thing? It's swimming upside down. Oh, I think they find out. Sorry. Said, look what I found. Because you'd have to know when to duck, wouldn't you?
came down the water slide, slid across the sand dune and then disappeared into the water. Maybe he's behind the trees. I'll just have a look. Hey, Elmer! Elmer! You out here, buddy? Hey, Elmer! I can't figure this out, folks. How can somebody so big just disappear like that into thin air? 1 minute he's here, next minute he's... Hang on a second. I'm starting to smell something a little bit fishy now. I can smell cheap perfume and the essence of mullet. He's here somewhere for sure. Not around in these trees. I can... Oh! Folks, here he is finally making his way onto the beach. It's Elmer with his good buddy, Kerry. Say hi to everyone. Look at the size of this boy. He is huge. You know, the last time Elmer sat on the weigh scales, he almost broke them. He's weighing in at over 200 kilos. But the reason why he's here this afternoon is to show everybody how good he is at surfing. So what I'll do, I'll go out the back, get the multi, excuse me, yes. Doesn't surf. He's from California. They all can surf in California, trust me. I'll go out the back, get the multi-million-dollar twin overhead camshaft V12 fuel injected racing wave simulator. There it is. What a beauty. Oh, it's upside down. Yeah, that's better. Now with lightning fast speed, Elmer's going off his box into the water and he will clear this wave simulator by an amazing 2 feet. So you get ready, Asleep. Looks like he's having some type of dream too. Don't just stand there, wake him up. That's a deep sleep. Get with it, Elmer. Hello, but quiet. Oh, he's back with it, as I was saying. With lightning fast speed, he's going up his box, into the water and over this wave simulator. Not when you're ready. Not you, silly Elmer. Elmer, not when you're ready. He's ready. All right, I'll just get set up here. Look at the speed. He goes to the bottom of the pool. That's where he lines this up. And he's going up and... Very funny, Elmer. I told you couldn't surf. Looks like it's back to the old drawing board for young Elmer there. Maybe a few more surfing lessons a little bit later on. But I tell you what, Kerry, let's push our luck. Let's limousine. After last year's successful calendar, it's time now to meet her in the fur. It's the gorgeous, the glamorous Elle McPherseal. And just in case you're wondering, Elle's the one not wearing the hats.
And Elle, rumour has it that it's a love story? Oh, well, you're a bit speechless today. Well, that means you must be needing a leading man for the part. I'm sure the man would have to be someone who is...
Well, yeah. Malcolm was found stranded on Fraser Island, hence the name Malcolm Fraser. Dimitri was found stranded on Stradbroke Island. That doesn't really explain his name. And he's been joined with Jeff, who was found stranded in a shopping trolley outside Southport Mall. These guys have been going to the gym lately. Malcolm wants to show off how strong he is. He can stand on his flippers. Dimitri says that's nothing. I can take it one step further and walk on mine. Hey Malcolm, how would you like to walk on your flippers? You want to give it a try? Ah, he's gone all shy. Hang on a sec, Dimitri's telling Jeff something. He's saying, hey Jeff, I want to show off to all the boys and girls, if you eat all your fish for breakfast, you can stand on one flipper. Look at this. Now, whenever Dimitri goes down the beach and there's no swell, he says no problem. He can go in and make some waves of his own. Look at that. All right. Now, you saw earlier on we had the wave simulator in use. A bit unsuccessfully with Elmer. These guys want to give it a go. So, Kerry, hold it out for young Malcolm and we'll get... Kerry, young Malcolm, he's 3. You've got to lower it. Go about as low as your IQ. Hey, at least she's honest. All right, have a look at the concentration on Malcolm's face. He's going to line this up, judging the wind, judging the current. He's over! All right, now, you can give Elmer some lessons. He's doing it. But, hey, the Malcolm Shuffle. Are there any New Zealanders out there in the audience? Oh! And I wonder if I should remind him of the Sharks. Too late, but that's okay. when these guys go surfing, they bump into each other and they always like to check out the surf first to make sure that it's safe. And that's a smart thing to do. Whenever you're going surfing, make sure it's safe. Guys, what's down there? 32 spotted mackerel. Half a dozen mullet. That one. A couple of black pointers. I've never heard of black pointers. I've heard of white pointers. They're the big ones in the movies with the sharp pointy teeth. Oh look! Black pointers! Hang on, they've got whiskers. That's just the guys fooling around. Actually, they're showing us thermoregulation. That's how... And if that doesn't scare off the sharks, I don't know what would. Oh, look at this. And what about the rollover? Can he do it? Yeah! Kahir is so impressed with himself, he just goes back to his pedestal and gives himself a round of applause. Look at this. That is...
Many moon ago in Hawaii, when boy reached certain age, he would try to prove his manhood before family and village people. Not those village people.
Oh, sorry, King.
Today,